Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step how to apply a screen protector to your XP Pen tablet. If you follow this guide carefully, you can install the screen protector without dust, bubbles, or misalignment. So let's get started. First, let's open the box. Inside, you will find the screen protector along with the installation accessories. Carefully take out the screen protector and place it on a clean, flat surface. Then remove the XP Pen tablet from its protective cover. Before applying the screen protector, we need to prepare the tablet. If there is a thin plastic film already covering the screen, gently peel it off and set it aside. Now, using the included cleaning cloth, wipe the entire screen to remove fingerprints, dust, and any smudges. After that, use the dust removal sticker or tape to pick up any tiny dust particles that may still be on the surface. This is one of the most important steps because even a small piece of dust can create bubbles under the screen protector. Now, take the screen protector and locate the white backing film. Carefully peel off the backing without touching the adhesive side. Hold the protector by its edges to keep it clean. Next, carefully align the screen protector with the tablet. Make sure all four corners are perfectly matched and the cutouts for the buttons are in the correct position. Take your time with this step because proper alignment will give the best final result. Once you are sure everything is lined up correctly, gently place one side of the screen protector onto the screen. Then slowly lower the rest of it onto the tablet. Starting from the center, firmly slide your finger across the adhesive side to help the protector stick evenly. Continue pressing outward toward the edges until the adhesive spreads across the entire screen. If you notice a few small air bubbles, gently push them toward the edges using your finger or the included card. Most tiny bubbles will disappear on their own after a short time. And that's it! Your XP Pen tablet is now protected with a perfectly installed screen protector and is ready for drawing, writing, or designing.